Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about some questions from the previous year's question paper of RTU. So here are some questions in which we have to find R's complement, and the first is a binary number and we have to find out the 2's complement of this number. So we will find the 1's complement of binary number, and then we will add 1 to it. So to find the 1's complement of binary number, we will replace all the zeros with 1 and all the 1 with 0. So 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 is the 1's complement of 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0, and then in the 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 we will add 1. So our answer will be 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So 2's complement of the binary number will be 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. Now we have another question. We have to find out 8's complement of 34056. So what we will do, we will subtract each digit from 7 to find out the 7's complement of octal number, and then we will add 1 to find out the 8's complement. So we will minus 34056 from 7 all the digits from 7. So that will be 4 3 7 2 1, and then we will add 1. So this will become 43722. So the answer will be 43722. Next we have a decimal number 8750. So we have to find 10's complement of 8750. So we will subtract each digit from 9 to find the 9's complement, and then we will add 1. So we will subtract each digit from 9. So after subtracting, the answer will be 1249, and then we will add 1 to find the 10's complement of 8750. So it will be 1250. Next up we have the hexadecimal number 7F3B. So we have to find hexadecimal numbers 16's complement of hexadecimal number 7F3B. F means 15, B means 11. So we have to find the 15's complement first. So we will subtract each digit from 15. So that will be 8 0 12 and 4. Then we will add 1, and we will convert 12 into hexadecimal form. So it will become 80C5. So for 753B, 16's complement will be 80C5. So these are some questions that are in RTU question paper.